Well, hello there to everyone. My name is Nitoj Nathan and welcome to my channel Ichill RTX Box, जहाँ पे हम कुछ खास डब्बे अनबॉक्स करते हैं. As for today, we are going to build a PC based on Ryzen 9 and NVIDIA's 30 series chipsets of graphics. So let's get started. I really hope you like it. So let's install our motherboard. The motherboard which we have used in this rig is MSI MPG Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. Cabinet which we are going to use in this rig is from Antec. It's a compact mid tower cabinet and it supports a 360 mm of radiator at the top of the cabinet. The processor which we are going to use in this rig is Ryzen 9 1300XT. Yes, it has 12 cores and 24 threads. The max TDP of this processor is 105 watts. It is based on 7nm technology with the Zen 2 architecture. The base clock speed of this processor is 3.8 GHz, while after overclocking it can get up to 4.7 GHz. Maximum temperature of this processor is 95 degrees Celsius. Cooler which we are using in this rig is same as the previous one, the Deepcool's Castle 360EX RGB. Yes, all the lights on this cooler is completely customizable with the available softwares. Also you get 3 customizable fans including in the kit. All these fans are RGB and all these fans are customizable. The water block also has a fan which can run up to the maximum frequency of 2550 RPM. The fans which we get in this cooler can run at the maximum frequency of 1800 RPM. So let's install it.
Seven.
The SSD which we are going to use in this rig is the most powerful SSD I've ever installed in a build. Yes, it's XPG's S70. Writing and reading speed are 7400 for writing and for reading, and for writing it has a speed of 6400 mbps. So basically it's a very fast SSD. As you can see, the heatsink installed on this SSD is very huge, so it provides better and efficient cooling for the SSD. The full name of this SSD is XPG gammix S70. Well, it's one of the most expensive SSD we have ever installed in any build up. Yes, it costed us around 23,500 rupees. RAM which we are using is G-Skill Trident Neo. It's the best RAM available for a Ryzen processor. Also, the frequency of this RAM is 3600 MHz, which we have used in the earlier build also. Also, it's completely RGB. All the lights installed on this RAM is customizable with the available softwares. We have installed 4 of these RAMs. So the total memory we are going to install in this PC is 32 GBs. And the graphics card which we have used in this rig is Ichill 3080. Yes, it's a graphics card from Ichill. It's one of the most beautiful graphics card available in the market right now. As you can see, it has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. It has 3 fans installed at the base of the graphics card so that you will get the best of it. The memory of this graphics card is 10 GBs, so it's a huge size. The memory interface of this graphics card is 320 bits. NVIDIA CUDA codes of this graphics card is 8704, while the boost clock speed in megahertz is 1770. The maximum resolution this graphics card can support is 8K, yes, 7680 by 4320. The hard drive which we have used is a basic 2 TB hard drive from Seagate. Let's install it. So the power supply which we are going to use in this rig is NZXT's C750 power supply. Yes, the maximum output of this power supply is 750 watts. It's 80 plus gold. Also, it's completely modular and you can plug in all the necessary cables only into the power supply. The rest of the cables which are not in use can be plugged off the power supply for a less cable jungle.
इसमें डाल दीजिएगा सब सामान।
So let's just tie all the cables up and start this PC. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Peace out. Please don't forget to hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel so that you will get all the notifications at the very first place from our channel. Thank you.